Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Russia's invasion of Ukraine continues to disrupt life well outside the active fighting areas. In the automotive world, European automakers have been forced to reduce production or even delay new models because, as we've all learned so well in the past 2 years, functioning supply chains are not exactly a given. When the invasion started, the fact that Ukraine supplies a large amount of wiring harnesses to European automakers suddenly became important. Volkswagen said this week that it will push back the launch of the ID.5 by a month because it cannot get enough harnesses to send demonstration vehicles to dealers in Germany. The ID.5 is an SUV coupe version of the ID.4 and was supposed to launch in Europe in April. The launch is now scheduled to happen in the first week of May, a VW spokesperson told Automotive News. That's if enough wiring harnesses can be acquired. If foreign owners close the company unreasonably, then in such cases the government proposes to introduce external administration, Russian Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin told CNN earlier this month. Depending on the decision of the owner, it will determine the future fate of the enterprise.